Let's eat ABC. Meron din tayo dito, ano guys, dragon fruits. Well, nag-play kami ng chess, pero hindi ako marunong. Tinuturuan ako ni Josh. And, ito guys, yung kay Joshua, yung my corn. Pero sa akin, nasa loob yung halo. Palamig tayo. Haluin natin yung sayo, baby.
Yes.
Sarap, oh. Buti na lang umulan ngayon. Ang init-init kanina ay.
Yes, we were
Hanggang
gonna burn
5
to
p.m. pa yung kuryente daw babalik. May inaayos sa mail. Sarap naman. O, kainin mo na yung sayo. Ito sa akin ito. Ooh. Wow, may corn din. Kala mo sa'yo lang. Akala ni Diyos, sa kanya lang yung may corn. Sa akin din pala meron. Para to siyang scrambled. Sa pinakailalim yung
strawberry.
Oo. Yan. Sarap yan? Sarap. Sarap nito, oh.
The bishop, he's like the queen but can only move in like here, not like forward, like here, or here, or here.
Tapos,
That's literally what he does. He cannot move forward. Only like side, like here, but cannot move front, like forward. He cannot move forward. Only like here.
ang hirap na maintindihan, anak.
Because
Okay, ulitin mo yung sa queen.
so basically, what the queen does is that she can move. That is like she can move. She has like all the powers of the pieces except the horse. She can move forward. She can move horizontally. She can move directionally, like here, here. But cannot. But she cannot. But when she's here, she cannot move to here, like a horse would.
And then the horse.
The knight, he can only move like here. He can jump ba? That's what he can do. But he cannot attack like around him, like here or here. Like one square near him. It has to be 2 squares apart so he can attack that piece.
Tapos, yung isa.
What?
Ayan o, yung maliit.
Pawn?
Hindi, yan o,
The
yung...
rock?
Ewan ko ano yan, isa na white.
This one?
O, yan.
This one can only move forward. Basically a queen but cannot move like the bishop would.
Eh, ano pala yung isa? Yan o.
This one?
Hmm.
This one is a bishop.
Anong rule niyan?
I just said like here.
Bakit ba galit ka?
Cannot move forward. I just explained this one.
Hindi ko nga alam, tinatanong. Ang hirap naman magturo naman.
He cannot move forward like here. He cannot move here, here or here. But he can move like this.
Gusto niya makipaglaro sa akin.
And
Tinuturuan niya ako. Hindi nga ako
He
marunong.
can move like this, but he cannot move forward. That's how bishop works. But this one is like the opposite of the bishop. This one can move forward, but cannot move like this.
Ano pa?
That's it.
That's it. Sa king.
I already did.
Ulitin mo nga sa king. Kasi
The king is the weakest piece you have, but you have to defend him, or if you don't, you lose the game. You can only move once, one tile, and if he dies or gets taken by a piece, you lose the game.
Tapos,
That's it.
that's it. Pero hindi ko pa rin
Let's just do a game and then you understand.
Hindi ko pa rin
You just play now. You just play now.
Hindi ko pa rin naiintindihan na.
You just play now, you will understand, okay? You will understand. You're videoing it for what reason?
Wala, binibidyo ko lang. Bakit ba?
Just to express your failure.
Hindi nga ako marunong, anak.
You have to play to understand the game.
Kahit na anong turo mo, kung hindi talaga ako marunong, hindi ako matututo.
It takes time.
Kulit-kulit mo eh.
You have nothing else to do anyway since the electric's out. So,
Kaya nga.
you're stuck with me.
Tagal naman kasi bumalik ng electric.
Okay, go.
Ano, magmo-move ako.
Mm.
Pataka na ako move, ano eh. Jump ako, ganyan.
Mm.
Ay, pwede? Jump ng ganyan?
Yeah, only once, like every
Tapos?
other pawn. Okay, move na. Your turn.
Pataka ng tanay pindot. Ano yun? Bakit nakain mo na ako?
I can take, a pawn can take like, here.
Diba? Dinadaya mo na ako.
Here.
Bakit hindi ako marunong?
The pawn can take here or here, but not forward.
Sige. Ako.
Mm.
Yan.
These pawns cannot take each other because they can only tap here, or here.
Okay.
Mm.
Ikaw na. Tapos na ako. Ano yan? Queen?
Queen.
King?
Queen.
Yan. Tama ba yung move ko?
Yes. Bad, but
Oh, but
good.
horse yan.
Yes.
Paano ba ako makakain?
Why you getting...
Pwede ako mag-move dito?
No.
Ganyan?
No.
Hindi. Paano ako mag-move?
Only when it has to attack, it can move there, but there's nothing here, so it cannot attack.
Hirap naman ito. O yan. Bakit mo ko kinakain agad? Ano ba naman? O, yan.
Are you stupid?
Kakainin mo na naman ako?
No, I can't, cause the horse can only move here.
So, bakit mo ako sinasabihan na stupid
No,
ako?
because why you put here, it cannot attack this one.
Eh, sa gusto ko eh.
Okay. See that?
Sa gusto ko eh. Oh, ano?
Mm.
So, magkakain ko na yan.
No.
Hindi pa rin.
What you mean?
So, pwede ako mag-move lang ganyan.
Yes.
So, makakain ko na yan?
Yes. Go.
Paano?
You just take.
Ganyan?
No, you do this. Mm.
Bakit?
Because it takes, but like, look, if it's your turn, you can take this piece or kill it, then it will replace it. But take the piece here.
Okay.
Mm.
Akala ko kasi, dama lang kasi ang alam ko eh. Alam mo yung dama? Hindi mo alam dama. Dama kasi alam ko, hindi chess.
Chess is more futuristic.
Eh, malay ko sa chess na yan. And then ako, yan. Aw. Yan. Yan. Tapos, saan ako? Yan. Kakainin mo na ako?
Yes.
Ganun pala yun.
Yes.
So, ikaw kakainin din kita.
Yes.
Mm.
But then I was protecting my piece, so I can do this also with my queen.
Okay. And then, ito. Diyan. Tama ba yung move ko?
Yes, but bad.
So, kakainin kita. Bakit lagi mo kong kinakain?
The bishop can move in like look. Bishop can move in like two ways, here and here, but cannot move forward or like this.
Kakainin kita ang kabayo ko na.
What do you mean?
Ayan na. Ito kabayo ko. Kainin kita.
You can't. You can only move here or here.
Mm.
you wanna move somewhere, I'll tell you.
Ito.
I'll tell you if that move is available or not. This one can move in like no, it cannot move forward. It can move in like this or like this. But cannot move
Anak, ayoko
forward.
na. Sumasakit na yung ulo ko.
But that's good. You're
Ayoko
learning.
na, anak. Sumasakit na yung ulo ko.
You're learning.
Ayoko na nga. Ayoko na.
It's
Bye
free
na.
content.
Ayoko na.